Hello friends, welcome. For small scale business owners, is it possible to prepare comfort type fabric conditioner? Is it possible to get profit? Today we will discuss it. After the washing process, after the drying process, our fabrics getting rough and also full of wrinkles. The reason is during the washing process we are using liquid detergent or detergent powder. It is a kind of a chemical treatment. So fabrics are affected by chemicals and also the machine's pressure, a mechanical pressure. And during the drying process it is a kind of thermal energy, so a thermal attack. So for these reasons our fabrics are getting rough structure. When we are using fabric conditioners as after wash, it is reducing the wrinkles and also makes our fabrics more softer and some appealing fragrance. We need to discuss this topic in three different categories: materials, methods, and also cost. We will discuss one by one. First, materials. To prepare fabric conditioner with quality equivalent that of branded one, the following ingredients are essential. First of all, conditioners. This is the key ingredient in fabric conditioner. And carrier oil, plasticizers, fixatives, antioxidants, emulsifiers, pH adjusters, preservatives, color, etc. In case of conditioners, these are all the common materials being used as conditioners in industrial purpose. These materials are not available in retail. They are available only in bags. These are all cationic surfactants and suitable for conditioners. Benzalkonium chloride also a cationic surfactant, but it is not suitable for fabric conditioners. And alternatively, we can use cetrimonium chloride. It is available in Amazon, but here the cost is very high, so we cannot use it for business purpose. Secondly, method. It is industrial process. Among the materials, some materials are in oil phase, some materials are in water phase. So we have to take two different phases. First of all, we have to heat all the oil phases at particular temperature. After that, cooling process, addition of perfumes, and then mixing with the water phase, aqueous phase, and with the proper suitable emulsifiers and also pH adjusters. So these things are some skill required, some practice required methods. In case of method, we have to discuss one more point. For a single formula, it is not possible to use everyone because everyone will use different perfumes and different amount of perfumes. It is not a correct method. I mean, first of all, we have to choose the exact perfume and the exact quantity. Based on that, we have to alter the other materials, especially the amount of emulsifiers, what emulsifier and amount of emulsifiers. Otherwise, we cannot get homogeneous solution, homogeneous medium. And then cost, it is also important factor. I have two different fabric conditioners. Both are economic quality. The rate is 40 rupees to 50 rupees per liter, including the bottle. Here it is a very simple formula. I mean, they are using soy wax as medium to get the medium. In hot water, they will dissolve 40 to 50 grams to get 1 liter of the medium. Then they will add some perfume and then color preservative. That's all. There is no conditioners, fixatives, carrier oils, whatever it is. So this is simple formula and economic formula. It looks good, color also good, the thickness also good. I can feel the perfume smell also. For small scale business owner, here the problem is they cannot compete with them if they are preparing premium quality comfort by using many materials and following the proper method with the proper infrastructure. For small scale business owners, they can manufacture comfort type fabric conditioner, they can get the profit, but there are some conditions. They should not follow any formula. They have to develop the formula for their perfume and its quantity. So they have to maintain the unique formula. What is the perfume they are going to use, how much perfume they are going to use based on that formula. They can get profit only if they are achieving some minimum amount of sales, and they need to maintain the quality and also maintain the consistency, because it is something like skill required, practice required method.